Racing Jazz is started with Red Cloud. Break quickly to start. Irish Toppy. And on the outside comes Dark. Chocolate Amulet in between horses. Running by the rail is Felix. The Art Musketeer comes next is Steadfast of Love. Then followed by Lord G. Running by the rail is Senorita Ruth. While Soulmate is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch with Red Cloud, and on the outside is Irish Toppy, then 8 lengths. Watching in third comes Amulet, then next on line is Felix. The Art rushing up in the middle portion is Senorita Ruth. Dark Chocolate Musketeer is on the outside. Steadfast of Love comes next. Lord G second last, while Soulmate is still racing in last. And on the fourth turn with Red Cloud, Irish Toppy moving up down on the inside. Senorita Ruth, Amulet now moving up on the outside. Musketeer, then comes Felix the Art, running by the release Steadfast of Love, Lord G, then comes Dark Chocolate, and Diana entering the home stretch. Red Cloud moving up now on the outside is Amulet, and now says it's my turn to take the lead with Amulet. Felix the Art now moving up on the outside. Amulet, Felix the Art is on the outside, but it's still Amulet. Felix the Art, then comes a Steadfast of Love, Red Cloud, Lord G.
For your race number 5, mga kaibigan, the favorite entry number 6, Amulet, ang ating pong nanalo dito, nagwagi. At masisegundo dito, numero 3, Felix the Arch, 9 horse, Steadfast of Love, numero 4, Red Cloud.